You can hear I'm hitting this. Man, it's crazy. Man, those things are big. Uh-oh, we just had one knock out the, we just had one come through the inner window. Oh man, it's cracked, it's messed up. Uh-oh, there's another one. Wow, those are big. Just crushed shot a hole through the awning here. 2 holes. Oh boy. It's tearing the skylight up. Oh boy. Another hole. Uh-oh, there's another one. Another shot. Number 2. Oh man, those things are shooting off everywhere. There's another 1, 2, 3 holes in the awning. Wow. Unbelievable. Beating the roof up. Oh no. There's another one. Oh, it came in the house. Oh my gosh. It just shot inside the house. Oh, there's another one. Oh my God. We've got destruction everywhere. Ah. I gotta try to move that. Oh my gosh. The pool's ruined. The glass is broke all the way through. Again, this is 1810 Driftwood Court. Wow. This is crazy. Oh, that shot right through the... Uh-oh. Man. Golly. Destroying the house. Unbelievable. Destroyed. Ah. Ah, man. That whole thing's gonna be gone. I can't get away from it. I gotta. Unbelievable. I hate to see what my truck looks like. house is pretty much going to be destroyed. If I go over here, maybe you can see all the holes it knocked in the skylight. Ice. Oh, it's on the soap. That's what came through the skylight. Inside the house, through the skylight. Up there. Unbelievable. Oh, it's over here on the furniture. We have hell inside the house. It's okay, Abby. Glass. Watch the glass. Man, this is ridiculous. The floor's getting soaked. Oh my gosh.